Hello guys, just a quick video on the rear spring on the Renault Laguna. And most actually rear springs on the cars are like this, when it's just the spring without the shock. So there we got the broken spring, that's a new spring. All you have to do usually is undo your shock, the separated shock, and drop your frame down. You have to check up the car obviously, then drop the whole frame down and get the new spring in. Make sure you locate it correctly in the rubber seals. So I'm going to put all the rubber seals on. They're going to look all nice and correctly placed. As you can see, you got locators always on the rubbers where the spring should stop. And then what you pretty much do is get the spring at the bottom, pull down on it, they'll go down, and you'll locate it at the top with the rubber. Once that's on, you're going to need a little jack. Get the jack on the metal and jack it up so you can align the hole there for the bolt to go in. It's 80mm bolt, one of them. You need to align it and get it in there, do it up, and that will be, it's quite an easy job. Just make sure you can jack the car up high enough so you got clearance to pull the wheel down to get all aligned and get the spring in. That's pretty much it guys. Hope this will be helpful for you. In case you're actually struggling, it wouldn't go down enough, I would suggest you to undo the other side. If you undo the other side shock, it will drop the whole frame down, but be careful with your wiring, the brake pipes, brake hoses, and all the electronics that you got there. Don't let them just drop and stretch and fuck them. So just watch out what you're doing. And just one more thing, to take this cover off, there's only one 10mm bolt holding it there behind there where that hole is. It's only 10mm. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, like I said guys, nice and easy job, just be careful. And if you got someone to give you a hand, ask them to give you a hand to pull down on that while you're putting the spring in. Alright guys, have a good day. And like I say, if you like my videos and it is helpful for you, then subscribe please, comment below, ask me more questions, like my videos, and share it with your mates that got the same cars. And I hope I can help as many people as I can. Have a good day guys. Bye.